Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we bring you the latest, most in-depth reviews of the gadgets shaping our future. Today, we are diving into the brand new Motorola Edge 70 Ultra, a flagship smartphone that is designed to compete with the best of the best in the market. If you have been waiting for a device that combines elegance, raw performance, cutting-edge camera technology, and an immersive user experience, then you might just be looking at your next phone. In this review, I will walk you through 7 key aspects of the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra, giving you a detailed look into its design, display, performance, camera, battery life, software, and value for money. Let's get started. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra has been crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The first thing you notice when you hold it is how premium it feels in the hand. It's slim, lightweight, yet sturdy, with a metal frame that seamlessly blends into curved glass panels on the front and back. The device feels ergonomic, sitting comfortably in your palm without being too bulky. Motorola has used a matte finish on the rear glass, which not only resists fingerprints but also gives the phone a sophisticated look. The curved edges are not just about aesthetics, they also improve grip and comfort during long use. When it comes to durability, Gorilla Glass Victus has been employed on both the front and back, making it resistant to scratches and drops. Add to that the IP68 rating, which ensures water and dust resistance, and you get a phone that is as tough as it is stylish. The design language is minimalist yet futuristic, with a small centered punch-hole camera and ultra-thin bezels that maximize screen real estate. Motorola has also introduced a striking set of colors, from subtle black and white tones to bold gradient finishes that shimmer under light, making the Edge 70 Ultra a fashion statement in itself. Number 2. The display. The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is built around a 6.8-inch POLED panel, and this is where the phone truly shines. The panel offers a stunning 165 Hz refresh rate, which means everything from scrolling through apps to gaming feels buttery smooth and ultra-responsive. With a resolution that stretches beyond Full HD into 1.5K territory, the clarity is outstanding, ensuring sharp text, vivid photos, and crystal clear video playback. What makes this display stand out is its brightness capability. It reaches up to 2500 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest smartphone screens available. This ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The HDR10 Plus certification means that watching movies or streaming content on platforms like Netflix or YouTube is a cinematic experience, with deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and excellent contrast. Motorola has fine-tuned the color calibration, offering both a natural mode for realistic tones and a vivid mode for those who prefer punchy colors. The curved edges of the screen add to the immersive experience, making content appear to flow seamlessly across the phone. For gamers, the high refresh rate combined with a touch sampling rate of 720 Hz ensures the lowest latency and fastest response, making it a dream for competitive play. This display is not just about specs, it's about the experience of being drawn into everything you watch or play. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the latest and most powerful chip available in the Android world right now. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone delivers blistering speed and multitasking power. Apps launch instantly, switching between multiple heavy apps is seamless, and even the most demanding games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile run at max settings without breaking a sweat. The AI capabilities of the Snapdragon chip are also evident, as the phone intelligently manages power consumption, enhances camera processing, and boosts real-time translation features. Motorola has also equipped the Edge 70 Ultra with an advanced cooling system, ensuring that the device stays cool even during extended gaming sessions or 4K video recording. Benchmarks place this device among the top performers in the market, rivaling or even surpassing some of the most popular flagship phones. For professionals, this means smooth productivity on the go, whether you're editing videos, working with large documents, or managing multiple apps simultaneously. For gamers, this means no lag, no stutter, and pure fluid gameplay. Simply put, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is a powerhouse. Number 4. The camera. This is perhaps the highlight of the Edge 70 Ultra. Motorola has packed a triple camera system that redefines smartphone photography. The primary sensor is a massive 200-megapixel OIS camera, capable of capturing breathtaking detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. It uses advanced pixel binning technology to combine multiple pixels into one, delivering bright, sharp, and color-accurate images in low light. The ultra-wide 50-megapixel lens doubles as a macro shooter, allowing you to capture vast landscapes or intricate close-up shots with equal precision. The third lens is a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, letting you get closer to your subject without losing detail. The phone also supports 8K video recording at 30 fps and 4K recording at 120 fps, making it a tool not just for photography but for professional-grade videography. The front camera is a 60-megapixel sensor, delivering incredibly detailed selfies and sharp video calls. AI-based enhancements further elevate the experience, with features like real-time HDR, night vision, portrait mode with natural bokeh, and cinematic video effects. In real-world use, the camera system proves versatile, handling everything from low-light cityscapes to action shots with superb clarity. Whether you are a casual shooter or an aspiring content creator, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra offers one of the most powerful camera systems on any smartphone. Number 5. Battery life. With all this power and performance, battery life is crucial, and Motorola has not disappointed. The Edge 70 Ultra houses a 5,100 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a full day and beyond under heavy use. For light to moderate users, it can easily stretch to 2 days. What really sets it apart is the charging technology. The device supports an insane 125W wired charging, which can take your phone from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. That's industry-leading speed and a true lifesaver for people always on the move. It also supports 50W wireless charging and even 10W reverse wireless charging, so you can power up your earbuds, smartwatches, or even another phone directly from the Edge 70 Ultra. Battery optimization software ensures minimal drain during standby, and the AI-assisted adaptive charging helps extend battery health over the long term. This combination of massive capacity and lightning-fast charging makes the Edge 70 Ultra one of the most reliable companions for both work and play. Number 6. Software and features. The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra runs on Android 15 with Motorola's Clean My UX skin on top. What users will appreciate is how close the experience feels to stock Android, with minimal bloatware and smooth animations. Motorola's customizations focus on useful features rather than gimmicks. The famous Moto actions, such as chopping twice to turn on the flashlight or twisting your wrist to launch the camera, remain present and more responsive than ever. Edge display features have also been refined, offering glanceable notifications and quick controls along the curved sides of the screen. For productivity, the ready-for-platform transforms your phone into a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor or PC, allowing you to use apps in resizable windows, run presentations, or even game on a larger screen. Motorola has also emphasized security with Think Shield, ensuring enterprise-level protection for your data. 3 years of guaranteed Android updates and 4 years of security patches give users confidence in the phone's longevity. Combined with AI-driven features like voice translation, camera scene detection, and battery optimization, the software experience is intuitive, powerful, and future-ready. Number 7. Value for money. This is where the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra makes a bold statement. With all the premium features we've discussed, cutting-edge design, world-class display, blazing fast performance, an unmatched camera system, outstanding battery life, and a clean, secure software experience, you might expect a sky-high price. However, Motorola has positioned the Edge 70 Ultra more competitively than some of its rivals like Samsung Galaxy S series or Apple's iPhone Pro models. The value proposition is clear. You're getting flagship-grade features, and in some areas, industry-leading technology, at a price that undercuts much of the competition. For users who want a phone that delivers everything without compromise but don't want to overspend, this device is a very compelling option. It's not just about affordability, it's about delivering maximum performance, utility, and longevity for your investment. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is a true flagship contender that proves Motorola is back in the game at the highest level. From its stunning design and futuristic display to its powerhouse performance, professional-grade camera system, and incredible charging technology, this phone checks all the boxes. It's designed for those who demand the best in every category, whether you're a gamer, a content creator, a professional, or simply someone who values quality and reliability. What Motorola has done here is balance innovation with practicality, creating a phone that not only impresses on paper but also delivers in real life. When you compare it against its competition, the Edge 70 Ultra stands out for its aggressive pricing, making it one of the smartest purchases in the flagship market today. This is not just another smartphone, this is a statement that Motorola is here to challenge the giants. If you're in the market for a phone that will serve you well today and into the future, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra deserves to be at the top of your list. This is Apple Insider, and that was our detailed review of the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this.